In this tutorial, you'll learn how to automate tasks in Smartsheet so your sheets can handle repetitive work automatically. Whether it's sending alerts, updating records, or notifying team members, automation can save you time and reduce manual effort. Start by opening your Smartsheet project and clicking the Automation tab near the top of the screen. This is where you'll create, manage, and edit all workflow automations. Select Manage Workflows to view existing automations or create a new one. If you're new to automation, choosing Create from Template is the easiest option since Smartsheet provides ready-made workflows for common tasks. Browse the available templates and select one that matches your goal, such as sending alerts, requesting updates, or moving rows automatically. Once selected, configure the workflow trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the automation, such as when a row is added, updated, or when a status changes. Next, choose the action you want Smartsheet to perform. For example, you can automatically notify a team member when a task is marked complete or send reminders when a deadline is approaching. Customize any messages or recipients as needed, then save the workflow. To make sure everything works correctly, open the Workflow Options menu and use the Test feature. This allows you to verify that the automation behaves exactly as expected before relying on it in your daily workflow. As you become more comfortable with automation, you can create more advanced workflows that combine triggers, conditions, approvals, notifications, and row actions to streamline your entire project management process. Thanks for watching.